let's keep cobbling away. Pull this block back out. See if we can get our timing chain back on, which I doubt. Yep, all right. So we're gonna have to back this back off. Let's do the old socket and Allen wrench trick here. Let's get that. Oh. Hey everybody, so it's been about a week for me, probably a month for you getting on this thing. I just got the parts in today from Rock Auto. Found it was easier to buy all the stuff from there versus going to the store or buying it from Amazon. I trust it a little bit better too, and I could see exactly what I was getting. So we're gonna try to go ahead and get this buttoned up tonight, but we may not be able to do tonight. May have one more video. So anyway, let's get on. All right, so here we got our new water pump slash fan clutch, and then we have some seals, our cassette. We have our new main timing chain tensioners. We have our gasket set, and then we also have a new fan to put onto our fan clutch assembly. All right, let's jump right into this. I don't have my mic on today. Take our wrench. Got this little, I don't even know what you call it. It's a thing. I'm not good at all that technical shit. All right, there we go. Holy cow. Look at that. We freaking did it. Existing timing chain on this, even though we got a new one with it. There's just no point. Other one here. Start getting that started. Pull this off. This is back in place like so. All right, we are putting an engine back together. Finally. Now we gotta find all the parts that we use to take it apart. And I'm already missing some. There it is. Just run this down. Get that close. Go ahead. That's snugged up. This one, snug this one up. And we'll switch to 3/8 drive ratchet. Confirm that this is tight. Okay. All right, we're gonna go ahead and loosen this up. Pull this gear out. Get timing chain. Get pretty close. I want to kind of split the difference here. I need that cam to be exactly where I want it before I do this next step. It's about where it needs to be. It's close. There's some play here. Take we have this one over here. Takes a couple of these bolts. It's really small. Either 8mm, but 15 or 5/16 will fit just fine. Okay, now timing chain is pretty loose. It's not quite where I want it. We went ahead, torqued that down. Whether we did it right or not, guess we'll be finding out later. So the cam was off a little bit, so hopefully we didn't screw anything up, but just gonna start scraping this block down. So I might end up just having to replace the oil pan anyway. Oh, the oil pan gasket, so I'm not too worried about trying to reuse this thing on the bottom. We're just gonna dump some silicone on it, hope for the best. All right, well, it looks like we're out of time tonight. It's getting pretty late, get pretty tired, so we gotta get this cover cleaned up. It's pretty dirty. Get all the grease and stuff off, put a new seal in it. Then we can go ahead and start reassembling the rest of it. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.